Today we are going out in Shanghai, hunt some amazing food, meet some lovely people and forget about our worries. So we're using glass bottles today instead of plastic ones. It's a step in the right direction. So those are like a special bean pie. There's a little fried eggs on a stick. They look very good. It's eggs, fried. It's got a little bit of pepper on it and a tiny bit of salt. It tastes lush.
And then put on a stick.
Is it a crispy pancake?
Yeah.
I saw someone eating one earlier and thought, yeah, we've got to try that one. These are dumplings being made. So we're going on the zigzag bridge. It's a very cool bridge. There's a traditional boat. The amazing contrast of the old and the new. Photo opportunity. Shanghai skyline.
Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our video. And don't forget to click on like below. Don't forget to subscribe to the TaawkTV channel below.